In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset text-to-speech output on Samsung phone. So if you're using text-to-speech output on your Samsung phone, and you've configured this text-to-speech feature on your Samsung phone based on your voice or the command you want to use, you can easily reset it to the default settings. All you need to do is go to the Samsung phone settings. While on the settings, scroll down and select General Management. So under General Management, locate text-to-speech output and click on that. Then once you click on text-to-speech output under General Management, then you have option to either play your text-to-speech rate, use languages, and then the settings. Now to reset the text-to-speech output on your Samsung, what you need to do is hit the reset button. And once you hit the reset button, this reset the personal configuration on the text-to-speech output engine, and then you can then start all over again to choose your preferred engine. You can choose speech recognition and synthesis from Google. You can then come down here, allow the speech rate, allow the pitch rate, then that is it. So if you want to reset again, just hit the reset button. Just reset the text-to-speech output to the default setting. So this is how you can easily reset your Samsung phone text-to-speech output to the default settings. So if this is helpful, if you want to hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.